Yo, what's up, fam? Coach Ray here. Let's talk gym etiquette. You lift heavy, but do you know how to behave in the gym? Let's fix that. Today we're covering the full A to Z, do's, don'ts, everything. Every rule, every mistake, every fix, right here, right now. Let's get into it. Rule 1, hygiene. Wear clean clothes and use a towel, always. Wipe down your equipment after every single use, no exceptions. Don't drown yourself in cologne or perfume before hitting the gym. In a closed room full of heavy breathing, that stuff is rough on everyone. Re-rack your weights every single time, no matter what. Don't leave dumbbells lying around like landmines on the floor. Seriously, that's the fastest way to annoy everyone around you. Don't hog a machine while scrolling your phone between sets. If people are waiting, let them work in with you. That's manners. A little grunting on a heavy lift. Totally normal, don't stress it. But dropping weights just to flex. Yeah, that's not it. No phone calls on speaker while you're on the treadmill, please. Headphones exist for a reason. Use them. Don't walk in front of someone mid-lift or block their mirror view. Respect people's space. Everyone needs room to focus. Don't film strangers without asking. That's a hard no. And don't give advice to people who didn't ask for it. Everyone's on their own journey, beginner or pro. Respect that. Big one. The squat rack is for squats, not for curls. If there's a shortage and you're curling in the rack, expect side eye. During rush hour, respect time limit on cardio machines. Let others get their turn too. It's just common courtesy. In the locker room, cover up and always carry your own lock. Don't hog the mirror for endless selfies while others are waiting. Basic prep like your own towel and lock saves everyone a headache. Keep your bag and belongings out of other people's way. Good etiquette builds a genuinely positive gym environment for all. Let's talk fade. The real benefits of following these rules. You earn respect from staff and members when you follow gym manners. People remember you well, and the whole vibe just gets better. Honestly, you lift with way less stress when nobody's annoyed with you. Good etiquette makes your entire gym experience smoother, period. Now the nukesan, what happens when you ignore all this? Bad etiquette gets you dirty looks, arguments, even a gym ban. Worse, skipping safety basics can straight up cause injuries. Let's recap the biggest mistakes people make in the gym. Not re-racking, hogging equipment, ignoring hygiene. Sound familiar? Also, unwanted advice, filming strangers, skipping your warm-up. Here's your golden tip. Learn how a machine works before using it. Always warm up, follow posted gym rules, and say thank you. Now your precautions. Respect weight limits on every machine. Don't lift beyond your spotter's capacity without asking first. Keep your phone on silent and stay aware of people around you. At the end of the day, gym etiquette is really just about respect. Re-rack it, wipe it down, lift with class. Like this video and subscribe. Coach Ray, out.